Welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out these Tekken smart plugs. So you get a box of 6 of these from Amazon for about $25. And these, if you have Google Assistant or Google Home or Alexa, Amazon Echo, then you can control these by voice. You can use an app on your smartphone, turn them on or off anywhere you are, no matter where, as you have internet access or whatever. So in the box, we have 4 of these little guys, and we'll just kind of get you a close up here. So they're pretty small, not too big here. They feature a ground as well, and a little power button here on the side to help you sync those up. So like I said, there's 4 of these guys that come in this box, and you can hook them up to a lamp or what have you. Also comes with little instructions here. So I believe the app that controls this is, I believe it's Smart Life app. I think I already have it anyways for some other of my stuff that I have. Smart Life app, yeah. So a lot of these products use the Smart Life app, and I do have this app already installed, I believe. So I'm going to show you guys how to set this up here in the next video. I just want to show you this unboxing real quick. I'll leave a link to the next video in the description below when I do the Alexa setup and try the gotta do the Google Home or the Google Assistant setup as well, and try to show you how to do the app and everything else like that. So that's that. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check this out on Amazon too. Kind of convenient for like security purposes. If you have, you're away, you can turn on the light or whatever, or middle of the night and you're walking down the hallway, you can tell Alexa or whoever to turn on your light for you so you don't run into stuff, or just a bunch of little things you can hook this up to. It's kind of convenient. So thanks for watching this unboxing. We'll see you guys next time. Everyone have a great day out there. All right, now that we've seen what's in the box, I'm going to show you guys how to set these up real quick. So there's going to be a few videos for the app, Smart Life app, Alexa, Amazon Echo or whatever, and the Google Mini, Google Home or whatever the little device is. We'll be setting those up and show you how to do it. So here we go. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up your Tekken smart plugs or smart socket with the Amazon Alexa app. We're going to just click on the app, click on the 3 lines that are up in the left hand corner. You're going to go to skills and games about in the middle there. Okay, you can search. This is going to be it's a Smart Life, so S-M-A-R-T, if I could spell life. All right, there's the thing right there. You would just click on it, and I already have it enabled here, so I would just click enable skill, but under settings it's already linked and everything, so you can manage smart home devices, your plugs. Bedroom is the new device, so it's hooked up. I can turn it on and off right through the app there on my Alexa. So that means I could tell Alexa to turn on in my bedroom, and it's going to come on also. So under that, you would have to, so since mine's already enabled on there, when you go to the smart home, you would enable the skill, and I have where my disable thing would be there. So skills and games, and then Smart Life. Right there. And it would say where the disable skill, it would say enable skill. And then you'd be redirected to the account link page. From there, you type your Smart Life account and password. It'll ask for that. Then tap the link now to link your Smart Life account. So when Alexa has been successfully linked to your Smart Life account, it'll show up on there. It pretty much walks you through the steps there. I mean, if I can do it, pretty much anybody can do it. So works great. I can control my smart socket now with my Google Home or Alexa. So thanks for watching this video on how to set up the smart socket with Alexa app. I'll see you guys later. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the description below, and I'll do my, or in the comments below, I'll do my best to answer them. I'll link these smart plugs in the description below on Amazon, so you guys can check that too if you want. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Okay guys, this is the Google Home app here. Just installed it, and when I plugged in the Google Nest Mini, it said to download this thing to get started. So downloaded it, and then I'm just going to click the Get Started button here. All right, that is me, ETPC, Epic Time Pass channel. Okay. All right, so it already has my other stuff in here. Create a home, connect Smart Life, and connect to your Smart. So I have different things in here. I'm going to connect the Smart Life. All right, so I have to do a pin to do that. So link with app pin code 8-digit Open Smart Life app. Go to me, more services. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. Smart Life app pin. All right, Smart Life. Go down to Smart Life. Click on that. All right. What else are we supposed to do? So go to me, more services. Bedroom, secondary, bathroom. Okay, me, and then home management, message center, more services. Okay. Select a third-party access service. Third-party access service. Third-party access server, Google Assistant. I'm going to click Google Assistant. Okay, link with Google Assistant. Open made by Google Link. So click on Chrome, I guess. Or no, Home. I'm going to click Home. Okay, it did not give me select a third-party access service and get an 8-pin code. Didn't give me an 8-pin code. Okay. Let's go back here. Smart Life app. Okay, me, more services. Select a third-party access service. Third-party access service. Yeah, I'm going to click view more ways to link, I guess. All right, link to with verification code. So get my code. 246. Oh boy. All right, so I'm going to copy that and go over to this, paste it there, and there we go. Authorizing. Okay. So that's how you set it up with the Google Home for this device, and then follow the on-screen steps to finish setup. Google Home. Okay, so that's how you set up the smart plugs here. I'll be doing that shortly. Okay, my friends, so here it is. I got the Google Home, Google Nest guy right there, and I got my smart switch right here. I'm just going to tell Google to turn off the bedroom. Okay, Google, turn off bedroom.
Got it. Turning the bedroom off.
There you go. So it gets confirmation. The blue light on the side turns on and off. Setup was fairly simple there. Go to Google Home, hook up the download Google Home, and I had the Smart Life app already. Got a 8-digit code, hooked that up, and ready to go. My Smart Life is already synced with Alexa too, so it's pretty much the same way set up. You can just go into Alexa, and actually I'm going to show you guys how to do that. This was for the Google Nest or Google products, and for setting up just this device on the Smart Home or Smart Life app. So that's that, my friends. Super easy to do, and you can change the name or however you want to do that. So pretty cool, pretty handy little device here. Thanks for watching the setup video. We'll see you shortly. Hey guys, so trying to set up the Tekken Smart Socket here with the Smart Home app. So I'm just going to scroll up to my Smart Life app, open that up, and there we go. Okay, so launch your Smart Life app and tap on the plus on the top right hand of the app. Okay, tap it and confirm indicator light rapidly blink. All right, it's not rapidly blinking yet. Select the device type. Okay, it's rapidly blinking now. So it's a socket. Maybe Wi-Fi. So I'm looking at the socket, adding device, ensure the device is powered on, ensure that the Wi-Fi signal is good. Adding device. Now it stopped blinking already. So we're there, we have it. So Alexa recognized it, and it is ready to go. That was easy. So I'm just going to call this one not Smart Socket. How about Tekken Smart Socket 1. Save. Okay, and done. So it's as simple as that, just setting that up. And now that's the Tekken Smart Socket 1. You know what? Let's rename that. Rename it to bedroom. Okay. Okay, so third party, it's already got Alexa and Google Assistant on there. So I'm going to say, okay, Google, turn on bedroom.
All right, turning the bedroom on.
There we go. So the light just came on there. I'm going to switch over to my camera and I can show you guys that. All right, so as you can see, these little smart socket, smart plugs are pretty handy. Pretty easy to set up. You control them with your phone, with the Google, with Alexa, or whatever you want to do to control them from wherever you want to control them, basically. as long as you have your phone or an app or something. So pretty handy little devices, nice little addition to your smart home. Hope you guys like this demonstration video. I know it's kind of long and not the most to the point, but just try to show all the various ways to set these things up for you guys. So I appreciate you watching the video. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check out these plugs. Pretty handy for like a ton of different applications, I guess. So you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this review and demonstration, and we'll see you next time. Take care out there.